how to fix Genshin impact not responding easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just go to settings and then go to privacy and then scroll down until you find here background apps, and now just scroll down and close all the applications. You will find like that. Scroll down and close all the applications that you don't need, or you can just turn off all applications, and after that just go back and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, just restart your phone, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.